Hydrogen Fuel Cell Hilux project reaches demonstration phase. Evaluation and demonstrations underway with hydrogen fuel cell Toyota Hilux prototypes. 10 prototype vehicles, powered by Toyota's fuel cell electric technology and producing no tailpipe emissions, have been built by Toyota Motor Manufacturing UK. Project reflects Toyota's wider European strategy to accelerate development of hydrogen fuel cell solutions to deliver carbon neutrality across the region. A groundbreaking project to realize a hydrogen fuel cell Hilux pickup has moved into its next and final phase, signaling yet another milestone in Toyota's progress towards a zero-carbon future. Since the unveiling of the first prototype vehicle in September 2023, Toyota and its consortium partners, supported by UK government funding, have reached an intensive evaluation and demonstration stage. The latest landmark in this joint development project further demonstrates the broad scope of Toyota's multi-path strategy towards carbon neutrality, applying different powertrain solutions: hybrid electric, plug-in hybrid electric, battery electric, fuel cell electric and e-fuels, to suit different user needs and local infrastructure. A total of 10 fuel cell Hilux prototypes have now been built at the Toyota Motor Manufacturing UK (TMUK) facility in Derby, England. 5 vehicles are undergoing rigorous field testing to assess safety, performance, functionality, and durability, generating test drive data in real-world situations. 5 further units are engaged in customer and media demonstrations, including at the forthcoming Olympic and Paralympic Games Paris 2024. By engaging customers with hydrogen fuel cell technology, Toyota is laying the groundwork for a successful hydrogen transport sector in the future. Along with Toyota's 30 years of research and development into hydrogen fuel cells, know-how from the Hilux project will contribute to the next generation of fuel cell technology, which will offer longer life cycles, increased driving range for vehicles and significantly reduced costs. Toyota expects Europe to be one of the largest hydrogen fuel cell markets by 2030, with steady growth in mobility and power generation applications. As a result, in December 2023, Toyota Motor Europe (TME) announced the Hydrogen Factory Europe, representing Toyota's coordinated approach to the commercialization of this technology, from development and production to sales and after-sales. The Fuel Cell Hilux prototype project is an important stepping stone to further develop hydrogen technology and stimulate a wider rollout of hydrogen ecosystems and infrastructure across Europe. Vehicle profile. Based on the legendary Toyota Hilux, with its reputation for quality, durability and reliability, QDR, on the world's toughest terrain, the hydrogen fuel cell prototype Toyota Hilux showcases how fuel cell technology can be integrated into a pickup. Since its initial launch in 1968, the Hilux has proved its invincibility time and again, having conquered the North Pole, Icelandic volcanoes and the Antarctic continent, whilst also achieving 3 victories in the Dakar Rally. The Fuel Cell Hilux retains that uncompromising DNA whilst looking to a zero-carbon future. Externally, the Fuel Cell Hilux retains the same dimensions and rugged appearance as the latest Hilux. In extra cab format, it is 5,325 mm long, 1855 mm wide and 1810 mm tall, but beneath the surface, Toyota's fuel cell technology marks it out as a trailblazer. Power is delivered using core elements from the Toyota Mirai technology that has proved its quality in almost a decade of commercial production since Toyota introduced the world's first mass-produced hydrogen fuel cell sedan in 2015. The Fuel Cell Hilux has an expected driving range of up to 600 kilometers, further than might be achieved with a battery electric system. Meanwhile, thanks to hydrogen's lightweight, a higher payload and towing capability can be achieved compared to other zero-emission alternatives. Hydrogen is stored in 3 high-pressure fuel tanks, each containing 2.6 kilograms for a total system capacity of 7.8 kilograms. The tanks are mounted within the ladder frame chassis. The polymer electrolyte fuel cell stack contains 330 cells and is mounted above the front axle. The Fuel Cell Hilux is rear-wheel drive via an e-motor on the rear axle, which delivers 134 kilowatts, 182 Nm of maximum power and 300 Nm maximum torque. When driving, The fuel cell produces no tailpipe emissions, only pure water. A lithium-ion hybrid battery, which stores the electricity produced on board by the fuel cell, is positioned in the rear load deck, above the hydrogen tanks. This avoids any loss of cabin space.